Hello, this is my submission for Lab 6.1 with Cybersecurity 501 at St. Bonaventure University. The purpose of this lab was to use aircraft to assess Wi-Fi network security. I have an external Wi-Fi card plugged in as a USB adapter to my machine here and is being detected by my Kali Linux virtual machine. It's beeping in and out of existence, but you can see it flashing at the bottom here. Bottom there here. So the first step was to use airmon ng to check whether it has been detected by Kali or not. So I'm going to paste it and I accidentally did Control C. So just let me remove this here. That should work. And we see it's being detected. So this is a chipset that it uses. The second step to put it into the monitor mode. So I have the command written out right here. And yes, I have that habit of doing that. So now it's been moved forward. And then I can see which routers are running in the neighborhood by running an arrow dump onto the machine. I can do this here. Okay. There we go. So now we can see the machines, the networks that are running around here. So just as simply, when they're running like this though, it's not very useful to know which ones you need because the list keeps changing when you're viewing it like this. So I'm just going to stop it here. Although I have spotted here the network that I use along with its BSS ID. So I already have that marked here under number 4. But yeah, this is the network I use. And I now have the BSS ID for the target of this attack. So my next step would be to just take all this information and put it in some files. I have a folder already set up to accomplish this. You can see I'm already in that directory with labs 6.1. So I'm just going to run that here and just let it run for a few seconds. And then once I choose to stop it, it'll save the output to a file. All right, I'm going to stop that here. Just to not take too much time. And if I go into 6.1, we see that it's all present here. I can open this in Wireshark and browse these to my heart's content. Lastly, I've taken note of the physical address of my host machines, not this Kali machine, but the laptop that it's running on top of. And from there, I should be able to run a fake authentication attack on myself, or at least not myself, the Kali machine, but myself, the host machine. So I'm just going to set the IW config to channel 6 and then run the air replay attack. So the -1 flag for fake authentication. So this is the source router and this is the target, so the machine. Like I said, I already have the physical address and I went to get it. So if I run this, we see that the association is successful. It's going to run it, it's going to keep running it for now. But the point is that the fake authentication attack has executed successfully. I'm going to stop this here. So that was this lab 6.1 for running a fake authentication attack within Kali Linux. Thank you for watching.